Hey y'all, so tonight's video is actually requested, so shout out to suave.avi on Instagram. He actually asked me about my dental routine and what I do to keep my teeth white. So today I'm gonna show y'all what I do to keep my teeth white on a budget. So if you want to see how I get these teeth looking white like this for cheap, keep on watching. So first thing I recommend to make sure you have white teeth is to floss your teeth. Now I know tons of y'all hate flossing, and I really hate to floss when I have to do it with the floss between the fingers and get all up in there like that, you know what I'm saying, with two fingers. So what I do to solve that is I like to get these flossers. They're very easy. You can just take them like this and go ahead and just get up in there and floss all your teeth. Now I like to go ahead and pick up, I cut off how many there's up here, but I think it's like 70 or 80. I like to go and pick up a big pack of these. You can go and get them at the dollar store. They're literally $1. Like you can get a big pack of these for 80 for $1, and they work just as good as the ones you can get for like $2 or $3 at Target. It's really easy to just get up in there and get all the way in the bag so you get all the teeth and just get all up in there. Now a lot of people like to go ahead and skip flossing. I see it as kind of like unnecessary in their dental routine, but it's really important that y'all are flossing your teeth to get out all the food and bacteria that's chilling in between your teeth and to help prevent the buildup of plaque, because it is this buildup of plaque and bacteria between the teeth that really contributes to the yellowing of the teeth, and you want to prevent that. So go ahead and invest in some flossers, literally $1, best dollar you'll ever spend, I promise. And then once my teeth are nice and flossed, it's time to go ahead and brush. So what I like to use to brush my teeth is this Crest 2-step whitening system. Now this is the most expensive product I use in my whitening routine. They have yet to make a store brand version of this from what I'm aware. If they have, someone let me know in the comments, because this is the part of my teeth routine that kills me. So I'm calling you out, Target. I'm calling you out, Walmart. Y'all need to release a store brand of this so that I don't have to pay $12 to $15 every time I go to pick this up. There's one like this, and then there's one where the whitening step is still in the white tube, but the toothpaste comes in like a silver metallic looking tube, I believe. Really what I'm looking for in this is the whitening step, because the main ingredient in that is the hydrogen peroxide. That is the main whitening ingredient, and that is what we are looking for in our toothpaste to whiten our teeth. So I just pick up whichever one's cheaper, whether it's the one that has a silver tube or the one that has a purple tube. So I guess last time I went to the store, the purple tube was cheaper, but they both do the same job. They both work just as great. And what I like to do, it recommends brushing your teeth with step 1 for 1 minute and then going in with step 2 for another minute after and brushing with that. But what I like to do is I like to apply step 1 and step 2 on the brush at the same time. I apply slightly more of step 1 than step 2 because, as you can see, I don't know if you can tell, but the bottles are a little mismatched. There's a little bit more step 1 than step 2. So I kind of like to keep the ratio going so that I'm not running out of one before the other. And then I like to go ahead and just brush my teeth with both of those at the same time for 2 minutes. And then as for a toothbrush, you want to make sure that you're changing your toothbrush out about every month or so. You don't want to be brushing your teeth with something with the bristles too frayed, because it's not going to do a good job of getting in there and cleaning everything and really making sure you have a nice clean mouth. So as you can see here, I don't know if you can tell, but these bristles are getting kind of frayed. So I did go to the dollar store today, and again, dollar store coming in clutch. So I picked up a 3-pack for $1. So this right here will last me 3 months. So that's literally like 33 cents a month investing in your dental care right here. So I went ahead and wet my toothbrush. So now I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what I do. So here's how I apply it to my toothbrush. So as you can see, the white paste in the front is step 1, the clearish paste in the back is step 2. As you can see, I applied a little bit more of the step 1 than the step 2, and that should just kind of keep the ratio, like I said, so that I'm not running out of one before the other. And then I like to just brush my teeth with that for like 2 minutes or so. And it's really important when you're brushing your teeth too that you brush the tongue and the roof of your mouth, because a lot of bacteria tend to collect there, and you don't want that bacteria to sit there overnight and to accumulate, because that will contribute to yellowing of the teeth. So make sure when you're brushing your teeth that you're also brushing the tongue and the roof of your mouth. Once I've already flossed my teeth and brushed my mouth out and everything, lastly I like to just go in with a mouthwash. So this is the Equate Multi-Action Whitening Rinse, and this is just the store brand of the Crest 3D White Multi-Care Whitening Rinse. So I like this because this is alcohol free, and again, its main whitening ingredient is hydrogen peroxide, which is what you really want to look for in whitening ingredients, because that's really what's going to keep your teeth white and maintain that whiteness. You want to make sure also that you get one that's alcohol free, because alcohol tends to burn the mouth, and you don't have to leave it in like I do for a long time, but I'm extra and I find that the ones with alcohol, I can't leave in my mouth for a long time. So I like to get one that's just alcohol free so I can leave it in for as long as possible. And you know that a whitening mouthwash does a good job when it foams up in your mouth, because that means that the hydrogen peroxide is oxidizing and your teeth are being whitened. I like to just get a healthy amount in the cap, about like maybe 1/3 of the cap's worth, and just swish it around in my mouth until it foams up to the point where it's kind of uncomfortable to kind of hold it in, and then I'll just spit it out. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes to get to that point, so I'll just fold laundry or just read a book or something for 5 to 10 minutes just to pass the time. Yeah, that's really it for today's video. I'm sorry it's like kind of a short one. But I really wanted to like not neglect this video because it was specifically requested. Again, shout out to suave.avi on Instagram for asking me to do a video on this topic. So here you go, here's your video. And you know, I got a fresh cut or whatever. So I had to come on camera and flex a little bit for y'all, you know what I'm saying? So if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content in the future. Go ahead and click the bell button for more notifications for when I upload a new video in the future. Again, this is a requested video, so leave a comment below letting me know anything you guys want me to do in the future. Like, you guys want me to do any reviews on any products, y'all want me to do a specific look, y'all want me to do story times or anything like that. Just leave a comment below and I'll get around to doing it at some point. I'm literally so uncreative. Anything that y'all tell me to do, I will probably get around to doing at some point. And I'll be back shortly with another video. Bye.